We are sorry for the interruption and is trying to correct the fault. Not long ago, the Wyflar nuclear power station has just exploded, causing a radioactive explosion and toxic air and dust. If you have family members, then consider rationing food. Do not pick up your family members from school, work, hospitals, nursing home, camp, and interviews. These places have evacuation drills and authorities, and police will pick them up. If you are driving and can't see a shelter or bunker, authorities will lead you to one. Everyone in Wales is being evacuated. If you hear sirens, then evacuate immediately. Prepare your home for a 1 to 3 month absence. Grab food, blankets, a change of clothes, battery-powered radio, flashlights, canned or non-perishable food, non-contaminated water and oxygen tanks. If you have a child or family member who is in a wheelchair, then it's sad, but you must euthanize them because the shelter is limited, and you should not fill up your safe place shelter or basement. If you have a child, then bring them a cuddly toy or favorite teddy or their teddy that they also sleep with. If you have newborns or a pregnant wife with you, then you should not fill up many things in your shelter. Just remember electrical toys along with the internet. Television channels, including this one, and telephone service will be offline, but will be run after those 1 to 3 months. Alright, that's enough of this emergency. We will tell you the latest updates on BBC Radio. The radiation has now been 15 times stronger, which you must not leave your shelter, as this radiation will also spread dust and harmful air quality. If you are outside, then you could get extremely ill, as there has also been countless reports of black fog of the affected areas, meaning that the people that were outside caught these things, but not all. These include taking a nap but not able to wake up, seeing black things and crying out black liquid, throwing up black or radioactive liquid or bright blood, cardiac arrest, decapitation, peeing out radioactive liquid, crying out radioactive liquid, or even death. You need to take shelter. People in downtown Cardiff are foaming at the mouth or having seizures. If you're inside your shelter, stay there. Do not look at the black fog. We will now sign off with the national anthem. May God save our Queen.